Gold stacking for dummies. Now this video is actually for anyone out there that's actually interested in buying gold but just don't know where to start. So this is a step-by-step guide on actually how to start stacking gold and silver, or buying gold and silver. Okay, so the correct term that us community of gold buyers like to use is stacking. Okay, stacking is when you're collecting a whole bunch of gold and silver because you just want to. So we call it stacking. So if you're a beginner and you want to know exactly how to start going about precious metals or investing in gold or investing in silver, this is the video for you. So welcome to another video. I know, there's a big elephant in the room. There's a big elephant in the room. I got dreads, I know. So technically, I always had dreads before. I had dreads for about 9 years and I cut it off and I told myself I'll go 1 year with a low boy, see how that works. And after that year, I'm gonna put them back on. Now I can do stuff like this. Alright, just having too much fun. So, welcome to another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and better wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Also hitting that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platform. Links are found in the description below. Let's hit that intro. I'm working for work and grind. Alright, so we're going to focus on a couple of different things here, okay? But I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible for the simplest beginner to understand. Alright, so I have a couple of categories up here. Let's focus on the first categories, which is buying, what you want, and value. So pretty much buying. You got to know where you want to buy. Matter of fact, you got to know how to buy. So there's a couple of ways to actually go about this. You can go the online route or the local coin shop route, okay? Notice, I said local coin shop. Don't go to pawn shop because you want to make sure you get the best value from what you're going to get. So now, the best value for what you're going to get is possibly online, okay? They have some options there that actually give you your precious metals at a cheaper price. Okay. Now, the thing is, what do you want? Do you want to invest in gold? Do you want to invest in silver? Do you want to invest in platinum? Do you want to invest in palladium? Okay. So the last two we're not going to really focus on because mostly the majority of people only knows gold and silver. When I first got started, I didn't know nothing about platinum or palladium. I just saw, I was like, what is that? I couldn't even pronounce the word palladium. I was like, palladium. Until Siri helped me out. I wrote it down, asked Siri to read what was on my screen, and she said, palladium. There you go. So going back to what you want. What are you buying your precious metals for? Are you trying to make money? Are you trying to protect your wealth? Are you trying to just be fancy? Because a lot of people talk about they got silver chains, they got silver rings, they got a house mortgage on the wrist. It depends. What do you want to buy them for? But first you're going to need to know exactly what and why to buy or invest into precious metals. Okay. Now I touched briefly on value. Now pretty much value. What is the value of the precious metal? So you can buy a regular 1 ounce silver and you can buy another that's not regular 1 ounce silver, and one has more value than the other. So you got to learn your values of your precious metal. So that's where you have to do deep online research on what you're trying to look for, okay? Now a couple of valuable precious metals that are liquid, which means they're easy to sell, is buffaloes, eagles, Perth mint, Pamp Swiss, and a lot more that we're not going to get into in this video. Maybe some other video in the future. I gotta write that down, that's a good video idea. So now, the second category is we're gonna go over price, we're gonna go over spot, and we're gonna go over premium. All right, so pretty much price for gold and silver changes in value every day. All right, think of it as the stock market. There's times where it goes up, the price of silver goes down. So it always fluctuates. It could be high right now, and then an hour later it could be down. Now, spot price is that the current price that gold or silver or any other precious metal is actually right now at the current moment. The price that they actually mined it out the ground. That's what's known as spot price. Now premium is once it gets to a dealer or someone's hand, they want to make some money out of it. Remember this, all businesses are here to make money. They're not going to be like, oh, I got it for $1,000 and I'm going to sell it to you for $1,000. No, they're going to sell it to you for $1,200. And when you want to sell it back to them, they probably buy it for $950. So pretty much companies, people that's going to sell you the precious metals, they're going to want to make a profit, so they're going to sell it at a higher price than the actual spot price. Now the reason I like personally buying online is actually they give you a couple of options. Some companies, of course, if you buy it with a credit card, they're going to charge you extra. If you buy it with PayPal, they're going to charge you extra. But if you buy it with an e-check or a personal wire, they're going to charge you less. Now the only downfall of that is actually you receiving your precious metal at a bit later time. So That could be one of the reasons why people would much rather go to a local coin shop. And some people don't like to buy online simply because it leaves a paper trail, and if they ever get sued, the government will be like, hey, we saw on your bank account, we have this much amount of money actually going up to this APMEX or JM Bullion, which means you have precious metals. Now we're going to sue you. Since we're suing you, you don't have no paper dollars. We're going to actually take your gold and silver, platinum and palladium so we can get all of it for us, for the price we're suing you for. Hey, everybody sues everybody once in a while, right? I never sued nobody, by the way. So now, the third thing we're going to focus on is wear, storage, and protection. So now, you did all your research, you want to buy your precious metals, but now you just don't know where. Where are you going to buy them? Now, based on the previous information I did give, you can actually do your research again and see which one gives you the best bang for your buck. There's a website called comparegoldprices.com where it actually shows you all the online dealers, and you can actually do that and it'll show you the best prices online. Or you can actually go on Google and actually type local coin shop near me and then find a whole list of coin shops and actually call them and see, hey, how much you're selling your 1 ounce gold or 1 ounce silver for. Now, storage. You want to make sure you have some place to protect your silver or gold. And matter of fact, storage plays a very important part on what you want to buy. So gold is very easier to store because it comes smaller. The only reason it comes smaller, it actually costs about $1,300 to actually buy 1 ounce of gold. For the same ounce of gold, you can actually buy 80 ounces of silver. Okay, so when you're buying silver, it's going to take up a lot more storage than if you were to buy gold. So you got to know exactly how you want to balance it. Matter of fact, if you don't have the amount of money to actually invest in gold, then the best route is to invest in silver because that's value too. A lot of people are saying silver is undervalued at the time of this recording. Now, some people may advise about this, but the way I actually started buying gold, I actually started buying grams of gold for like 50 bucks, which gives you a smaller piece of gold, but also the best. Now, one thing you don't want to do, I know I got this ideal as well, is don't buy grams of silver because the price is just too high and you're not really going to get the bang for your buck, and it's too cheap. You might as well just pay 60 bucks and buy 1 ounce of silver. I actually have a video talking about this. It's called micro stacking gold, or gold micro stacking. I'll link up a card down here so you guys can actually see that video itself. Now, protect. Now, make sure you protect your gold and silver as well. Well, we all know in America, matter of fact, everywhere around the world, there's something that we call thieves. And we want to make sure that they don't have access to our precious metals. So what you want to do is actually figure out a way to actually avoid that from happening to you, because that's going to be a bummer if that does happen. All right, we definitely don't want to have that. The best thing to do is do your research. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I'll be sure to answer every question that you guys may have. And also check a playlist that I'm going to show you at the end of this video where you guys can actually see everything that I've done about precious metals as well. And if you find this video valuable, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.